community agriculture. Congratulations. This is the first year we have introduced this program, a totally new program. So we launched it in Tavuni, and then a few weeks back in Singatoka came out, and today we are here. Our community agriculture is a program where we want the hotels to take ownership of the community around the hotel in buying their produce. So we're saying, you've got a hotel here, and there's a village about 200 or 300 meters or a kilometer away. We're saying, we will support the village to clear the land, prepare the land, plant the vegetables, and we want the hotel to buy vegetables from this village. So the hotel says, it's our community. We are part of the community. And for this, we are providing $3,000 to the village, as long as they've got the offer letter from the hotel to buy their produce, cabbage, lettuce, tomato, the basic vegetable requirements, and the villages are willing to engage in agriculture. So villages is getting a guaranteed market. Village will employ their women and youth and men who are not engaged in any other activity. The land is utilized. The village is getting an income for the households. Hotel is benefiting not only by getting fresh vegetables, but getting the produce from local, from within, and saving the money that would have gone outside. So this is the first time we are, first year we have established this program. I want to congratulate the recipients here who are receiving the $3,000. Of course, they will get the first tranche when they do certain work, and the final, second tranche, the final tranche after they've completely planted. So I look forward to this engagement of hotels with the community and community through agriculture supply chain with the hotels. And it's an exciting era where we just don't see the villagers doing mackay and all those things in the hotel, but also actively engaging in agriculture and supplying it to the hotels. So thank you, and